Yeah, okay. So this is going to be interesting. This is a small update, and the update is for this table here. And as you may remember, it used to look different. In fact, if I uncheck that, it will go back to how it used to look. And we'll just wait a second. Man, it seems like forever these days. Okay, so that I created before I started using the strategy tester. So I was actually pulling in a bunch of information that's already in here. And some of the extra stuff here, like this stuff up here, pretty much got here anyway, the bits that I care about. So all of this can go, and some of this other stuff I don't care about. And some of this stuff down here can be refined. Like I only really want this 1 mil number. I don't care about these other two. So when I put on minimal, it just takes out everything I never look at. So I just want to go over quickly all of this stuff I do look at. So I just want to go over quickly this stuff for you. So max win losses in a row, that's now on one line, just to vertically compact it. You know what the win rate is. It's obviously identical to what's down here. And initial capital versus profit. So profit is 0.2 of initial capital, which is 20%, which as you can see here is 20%. So this is important. This used to not be calculated correctly, and now it is. And this is actually the most important number, even more important than any of the numbers down here in the strategy tester, because that is literally telling you your profit per day. And that means more than basically anything else. This is obvious, your total profit, your initial capital, win rate again. Oh, I got win rate twice. I will take this win rate out before I publish this. So when you get it, you won't see this one here. I'll just leave it up here on its own. I didn't realize I had that in there twice. And there's trades, there's total trades, winning trades, losing trades, and your average win ratio, which we use in the back testing over here, which is in another video. So I just wanted to show you that I've made this small enough now where you can, how do I put this? Trying to think what to say here. Well, you can just leave this on the screen, and it's very, very useful information. Whereas before, I used to just put on, take it off, put on, take it off, because I didn't like it being there. But now it's small enough. I can just leave it there. It's got good information I care about. In fact, I don't even have to look across all of this across here and keep looking at one thing or another. I can see everything in this nice, compact little space, plus a couple of things that this doesn't have. So, you know, choose whether you want it on or off. You can still obviously just say don't show table data and you're good to go. But I personally, I like to see it on. It's not on by default, so you do have to turn it on. But yeah, I like it. Oh, and also remember, it doesn't have to be there. Like you could put this at the bottom left. I don't know. It might fit underneath that. I'm not sure. Probably depends on how big your screen is. The other thing you can do is, I don't know how much space you can save if you want to just make it small or tiny. I haven't really looked at that, but let's check it out. So this might be another option. We say, I want it, but I don't want to take up that much space. I'll make it a little smaller, see what we got. Yeah, see that? Still see the numbers, but, takes up a very tight, and that'd be nice over here, Probably wouldn't use tiny looking at how small it is already, but small, maybe not so bad. Probably depends on how tired I am. If my eyes are getting blurry because I've been up all night and I needed it a little bit bigger. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one line in the middle here so that we just got that one up there. And then I'm going to publish this. And so it won't be 8.1249, it'll be 8.1250. That is it.